Welcome to the key garage. As you can see, I'm going to present this element that you can see in the video to you. That's air cleaner. That it plays a vital role in a vehicle. This role that this element plays, one, it prevents dust and it prevents dust, and even smaller particles in the air from getting into the engine. This element traps them that would not get to the engine. So if this one choked or contained too much particles and dust to the extent that air can't pass through as it needs to pass, it creates a problem or it causes a certain problem. And one problem is that the fuel consumption will go high. That's high fuel consumption. And then the two, difficult to climb a hill because of the amount of air entering the engine is less. So the high consumption of the fuel, that's the injector will spray too much more than the air entering. Thank you.